Today's video is all about installing the anti-flaps on the cross track that we've got from Aussie Traveller. It's the medium size one on our 16.4 foot caravan. Self-tapping screws up there. Easiest way to do it is install it with two people to give you a hand. You'll need two ladders. Put the first one in first, the top one, to get the right position where it's got to be fitted. Mark it, and then drill the little bracket that comes with it. And then the second one, which is down the bottom, there is a bit of a gap there, but we'll fix that with that comes with the anti-flaps. And then down the bottom here, there's the phone number and an 8mm drill bit. Just got to drill it into here where my finger is. Just be aware of the lights, and yeah, just to stop it from flapping and to look after your roof, your awning. And yeah, have a good day. Please like us on Facebook and Motivation, and YouTube please subscribe motivation.vision, and on the web for more videos motivation.vision. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye.